How to create Among Us account. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To create Among Us account, firstly tap open your Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS device. Search for Among Us in the search bar. If you have not installed the game, tap on Install. Then select on the option of Play. Wait until your games load up. You actually don't have to bear any hassle regarding the creation of your Among Us account. This is because Among Us is already connected with the Google Play account. That means it uses the account from which you have installed the application, and it is similar in the case of iOS device as well. It will be linked with the account that is linked with the App Store. If you want to change the name of the avatar or your Among Us ID, you can head to settings and edit your name easily. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. It is a quick and easy tutorial. We'll see you very soon.